Good morning, everyone. We're going to continue working in Packet 1, which is Module 1, Topic A, Exponents Unit. Today is day 4, and we are going to be doing Properties of Exponents, Cut and Paste. If everybody turns to page 11, we'll be working on page 11 in our packet. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay. And I'm going to show you what page 11 looks like. So here's page 11. It says, Properties of Exponents, Cut and Paste. The expressions below have not been simplified. Cut out the cards of simplified expressions and glue each simplified expression next to its match. If we were in class right now, Mrs. Friesman and I would have you guys solve each problem and then cut and paste the answers from page 19 onto this page, which is the last page of your packet. But since we're not, we're going to have you guys do all of the work on your paper and then submit some of the answers through Quizlet. The first thing you need to do is solve all 16 problems. So there's 16 problems and there's a simplified box where we want you to show all of your work. I'm going to go ahead and work through one problem and then show you where to find the answers so you can kind of check your work a little bit. So number 1 says, parentheses, a to the negative 5th power, and parentheses, all raised to the power of 2. So I see that I have a power to a power. We know that the exponent rule for power to a power is multiply, so we need to multiply our exponents. So we have a raised to the negative 5th times 2. I know that negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, so my answer is a to the negative 10th. But something's wrong there. We can't have a negative exponent in our answer. So there's one more step that we need to do. We need to flip it and give the reciprocal before getting our final answer. When I flip a to the negative 10th power to the reciprocal, my final answer is 1 over a raised to the negative 10th power. Now to check if that's even one of the possible answers, if I go to page 19, the last page of our packet, I see that it gives you the cards that we would have cut out in class. And you won't use all of the cards. If I scroll down to the bottom, 1 over 8 and the 10th is one of the answers. After solving all 16 problems, you'll go back to Canvas to today's assignment, which today is 9/11. You'll open up the assignment. Let me unlock the assignment right now. It's not open yet. Okay. And you will go down to the bottom where it says assignment. Okay. We are going to submit on Quizlet today. If I click on the link to go to Quizlet.com, it takes me to a screen where some of you might be logged in, but some of you might not have used Quizlet yet on your Chromebook, so you might need to log in. So you're going to sign in using Google. And once you're signed in using Google, that's how it will record your answers. Once you're signed in, you're going to click the link to go to Quizlet, and you're going to play the match game. Make everything disappear, drag corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. So when I hit start game, it's going to give me 6 problems that I need to submit. You need to make sure all 16 are done because it will give you 6 random problems. It does time you over on the left, but you should not be working against the clock. You should be matching the ones to make sure that you're getting it right. Then I'm going to look at my answers on my paper, and this says number 9, so I got 1 over 8 to the 5th for number 9. So I'll drag it over and they'll disappear. Then here's number 11. So I'll look at my paper, see what I got for answer number 11, and I'll match it. Okay? And you'll do that for 6 problems. If you drag it to an answer that's incorrect, it will not disappear. Okay? After dragging all of my answers to the correct answers, there will be nothing left to match. And the screen will come up telling me how long it took me and where I am on the leaderboard. You can try one more time to see if you want to beat your record, but it's important that you got the questions right, not how fast you got them. That is how we will record your homework for the day. Have a great weekend.